So I'm here at the farm and I woke up to some scratching and there's a bird in the fireplace. Yeah, never a dull moment. I'm gonna go get some backup. Alright. So.
He's probably not gonna fly out. We're gonna have to like nudge him out.
Awkward and hard.
Oh. There's a piece of wood next to you. Oh.
Oh, it's a bee! Are you
get
kidding
stung?
me? What
And
next?
we just got
What
started.
the heck?
Where did that come from?
Right
You're
up for a
killing me.
ferocious bee.
Shot.
Good thing Shayla's not here.
No.
Say hi, Penny. Can you smile?
Bees.
Me?
Go ahead.
Just sort of.
Cameraman and nudger.
Knew that would happen.
Shots!
Okay. Oh no, he went upstairs!
Knew that would happen.
It's okay, Penny.
Open the prayer window. You want to close those doors? Quickly. Been trapped in a fireplace for 3 days.
Hey.
Or.
Okay. I know. We're gonna get him out. I'm trying not to be mean. Okay.
Great
go.
morning.
Now I'll be still.
Oh my gosh, no.
Alexa,
Wait for it.
fly be free. Hey, it flew. That's cool. Okay, well, woke up, found a bird in the fireplace, got stung by a bee. It's all good.
Great morning.